Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Chelsea away shirt for the 25-26 season. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video, along with a DHgate link as well to my usual seller. The link for my DHgate seller will take you direct to the Chelsea items, as I know they will be stocking these ones. Now, I'm not sure if the colour's coming across clear on here, but it is like a creamy sort of colour shirt. It does look quite nice actually. The shirt comes in a standard night bag, and on the flip side it does have the usual health warnings. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But one final time, this is the Chelsea away shirt for the 25-26 season. All information to the seller in the description of the video. Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 15 days from the point of being told that the item has been dispatched. So what we'll do now is get the bag open and let's take a look at the Chelsea away shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt. It's just got this traditional sort of ring style collar. And as with Nike this season, they've got this cutout here. I never really understand what that's for. I guess it's just meant to look smart. I do like though, there's a little bit of colour coming down here, which is also the same colour that matches onto the sleeves. But that is quite a big, chunky sleeve actually there. Wow. This is the fans version, so Nike has been embroidered in, and I've got to say that is one of the best Nikes I've seen. There's no pull up there, but then it's a Chelsea shirt, a top team. Whenever they're these top team shirts, these things are put on much better. Chelsea badge been embroidered on, that looks alright. Looks a bit smaller down there than at the top, but all in all I think that's gone on absolutely perfectly. Stitching under the arms, both sides, it looks absolutely fine. And at the bottom you do have the Nike engineered product code. The shirt itself feels quite a, again, fans version, they always do feel that a little bit thicker, but it does feel like a really nice material actually. Hemline looks tidy. So that's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around now. I'll look at the reverse side too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side now, and to be fair, I could be done the video straight away on the reverse side because there is absolutely nothing on there. Yeah, I'm a bit surprised they've obviously got, you got the London on the inside, but they could have put something on the back there just to kind of make it look a little bit more interesting. It's just a bit plain. I have just noticed though down the sides that we do have the same colours again as what's on the sleeve. That's a little bit of excitement, I guess. That gives you an indication of the see-throughness of the material. But yeah, no name or number on this one. If I was buying this in the season, I probably would have got a name on the back, but as we haven't started the 25-26 season yet, I didn't want to get a name and number because no doubt they will change. So who knows, maybe when the season starts I might rebuy some of these and get a name set on the back of them, but right now we've left this one plain. So yeah, not really much more I can say about the back of this one, so let's flip it inside out. Okay, we're on the inside now, and the collar line all looks good. A little bit of extra cotton there, but nothing to really worry about. We've got our standard tags that these shirts come with, all card. Dry fit Nike, move to zero plastic, even if it's got the plastic tag, and it is an XL. Being the fans version, this is going to fit exactly like an XL. Get a bit of loose cotton there. The Chelsea badge looks like it's gone on perfect. You've got a slight join up there, but that's to be expected. And the Nike tick, again, absolutely fantastic. Join there, but yeah, absolute spot on. Easily one of the best Nike ones that we've seen. And there's our stripes that go through the shirt. And at the bottom here we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out, as it is now, and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. Stitching around the sleeve looks good. The side looks good. And the hemline in itself, again, absolutely perfect. Oh yes, and there's our engineered label as well, which has gone on good. But yeah, whenever you get the sort of top teams, the shirt's always so much better, and this is no exception. Fantastic quality, this one. Let's flip it around and look at the final side, inside. Okay, we've got our final part of the inside of the shirt. You've got the red banding around there just to join the collar, and then you've got London, which is vinyled in, and that is proper rubberized. This here is also rubberized, the XL, Nike, dry fit, and so on. That feels really nice though. But if I push in onto the material here, the Nike, the Chelsea crest, obviously no sponsor on it, but you can see the stripes going all the way through it. So that gives you an indication of just how see-through the material is. It's not too bad in all honesty. The player ones are much, much more see-through than this. So yeah, all in all, this is quite a tidy looking shirt. So not much to call out on this side. It is quite plain, but the stitching all looks really tidy. Just a very nice shirt. Quite simple, quite plain, but effective. There it is, the Chelsea shirt. I do like it actually. The colour has grown on me as I've done this video. And there we have it, our Chelsea away shirt for the 25-26 season. A really, really nice one, this one, and like I said, probably the best night tick that we've seen on any of these shirts that I've been doing. I will leave a link in the description of this video to the seller, along with my usual DHgate link as well, which will take you directly to the Chelsea items, because I know my seller will have these ones. Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 15 days from the point of being told the item's been dispatched to it turning up on your doorstep. That's if you're in the UK, I should add. International shipping, I guess, could vary, but yeah, when I do these, I'm always talking about the UK. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as we just take that final look at the Chelsea away shirt for the 25-26 season, very, very nice. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.